Hello, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix a device ban on Snapchat. Your device normally gets banned on Snapchat when you violate Snapchat's stance or flow. So if you're once a victim of a device ban issue on Snapchat, then we have some solution for you. Simply follow the steps first. If your Snapchat device has been banned, there are few different methods to bypass the situation. The first method is to update your date and time setting uninstalled Snapchat by pressing hold onto it and tapping the uninstalled. So, in the pop-up, select uninstall, and once you remove Snapchat from your system, restart your device. Simply press the power button. Once you reboot the device, go to the settings button, then search date and time. Now, simply turn off the button right next to use network provided time. And go ahead and select the date exactly 1 month ahead of the device ban. Soon after you do that, you go back to Snapchat app and see if that fixes your issue. If that fixes your issue, then that's great. But if it does not, the next thing you do is simply wait it out until the ban lifts off for your device. It could range from a couple of weeks to 3 weeks, 3 months, or 6 months. Try not logging into Snapchat with a banned phone for a while. If nothing else works out, you can also try to reach out to Snapchat informing them about the issue. Simply go to the browser and type snapchat.com and go to the 3 lines on the upper left corner. Then go to support. You can ask for help by tapping on the search button at the top and go ahead and type in your problem into the search box and see if you can find a solution from Snapchat support. So that is how you can easily fix a device ban issue on Snapchat. I hope that this video helps. And if you have any questions or comments, can leave it in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.